Hello everyone and welcome back to Slime Rancher. This is Constant Hawk Gaming and my name is Rob. Sorry, today I'm a little bit confuzzled. Let's see here. Let's see what we can get here. How about chickens? We can do one stony hen, 4 chickens, and one. Let's help out Bob. Doot 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 doot. And I think he wants 1 stony hen. Oop, I got 2. So let's help Bob. First time helping Bob. We want okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. And thank you, Bob, for the plorts and the food. Good doing business with you, Bob. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nope. There we go. Then we get suck these up. How many did we get from him? About 9. And we put this in there. There we go. And then we sleep through the night. Remember when we get our carrots full, that's the end. We have to use the carrots that are in the silo. Same thing with the pogo fruit here. Oh, see, now we're down to 10, see? Gotta stock this up. Okay, down to 50. This will bring it up to 100. How are you? Oh, it's still 60. Okay. Okay, now we're going to fill this up. Nope, fill that up. There we go. Now we go over here to do our cleanup. Carrot cleanup and chicken removal. Chicken removal services. Yes, and we gotta come back here and get these two. So there we go. We gotta get chicken. I have to get rid of these plorts. I know. Don't waste plorts, but I gotta get the cube berries. They're important. There we go. And then we gotta come back for them. And now let's get some chickens. Get some chickies. some chickens. We're not getting many chickens today. 9 chickens, 11 chickens. It's my chicken song. It's my chicken song. I can't believe Guy Fieri now has a chicken restaurant in Disney Springs in Walt Disney World. And the name of the restaurant is Chicken Guy. Chicken Guy. That's the name of the restaurant. So original. I'm gonna name one Bacon Guy. That's what I should call it. Bacon Guy. Do we have any? Oh, we have chickens. There's chickens in my carrots. Any more chickens in here? Yes, there is. There's quite a few chickens in here. One more loop around should do it. And then we gotta come back here and clean the rest up. We got like about, wow, 30 chickens in here. Oh, is it? Oh, look at this little chicken trying to hide. Yeah, and we gotta come back here. Probably get some more chickens too, but we gotta clean up. We gotta do the cleanup process. Okay. Get that up to 100. There we go. And we gotta put that in there, and we're officially almost to 300 300 heartbeats. Let's get this up to 100. Get this up to 100. We're gonna be collecting plorts anyway, so. And get this up to 100. And just put these cube berries in with them so we can have room for the plorts. 22 fluorescent. Not exactly 50, but anything lower than 50, remember, we sell. If it's 50, we put it in the bank. Oh, that's 48. We might get, oh, we might get 50 over here. Yep, that's gonna be 50. That goes in the bank. Oh, okay, and we got that. Okay. So only one goes in the bank. And that's the rock plorts. The rest go into the market. And there we go. If we get 50, it goes into our silo, aka our secret Plort Bank. Okay, that's 300. Okay, here we go. Now we're getting past 100 here. Past 150. Yes, there's going to be a lot of back and forth, but you know it's worth it. Now we have to see what these people need. Let's go for her this time. She wants two rock, two rock, 2 sulfur. I'm gonna call them sulfur, phosphorus, sulfur, and 5 pink. 5 sulfur, pink, and rock. Okay, sulfur, pink, and rock. I'm just gonna take 5 out each. Sulfur, pink, and rock. Okay, sulfur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. 5 pink. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, I have to. Rock. And rock over here. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Why do I get 5? Just to be. I'm an overachiever. Sorry. And there we go. Okay. 2. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2. There we go. And we got more chickies. And we got more chickies. Okay. Put the chickies in here and the rest go in the bank. Ow. Wait a minute, what am I doing? There we go. That just fit 100. Okay. Now we got carrots. Ouch. Sorry. Hit myself a little bit. I have spasms sometimes and I hit myself not on purpose. 95. Okay, now heartbeats. Okay. Okay, now we'll sell these because I don't feel like going all the way to the bank again. And we still got to go over there and we got to, you know, clean this area. I like a tidy. And if we get more chickens, we get more chickens. We're getting more carrots, so that's good. More heartbeats. We're almost at 300 heartbeats. And chickens seem like to come out at night, so we're gonna get some chickens. And some more cube berries. There we go. Yeah, I like to clean up my ranch if I can. Get some chicken. There we go. Is that all? That's all, okay. Well, everything is cleaned here. Good day's work. Remember, if there's food, you get 300, and our food depletes, we just come right to the, right to the silo. So, here we go. Give that to 100. Put a little, no, that has chicken in it. That gets to 100, and that's still 88. Okay, so first it's the carrots here. That's 300. Okay, then we got the chickens. Then we got, we don't have the, oh, we got more carrots here. 200 over. Cube berries. 22 cube berries. And how are we with the, still 100? Okay. And 17, we're almost at 300. So we got a lot of food here. And now let's go and sleep through the night. Nope. We can't sleep through the night yet. We gotta clean this up. This mess. Yep, there we go. This mess. Pogo fruit. I wonder what, as I asked, I wonder what pogo fruit tastes like. You know? You can't be, can't sleep through the night with food in your vacuum. So we're about to get almost 300, another 300 carrots. So we don't need any more carrots after the food depletes. If their food depletes, then we fill it up from the silo. Okay, sleep for the morning. Then we'll just have to worry about getting chickens and plorts. Okay. Remember, okay, that's good. Okay, no. Let's get plorts. Remember, if it's 50, it goes in the bank. If it's under 50, we sell it. It's 22 phosphorus. And 22 rock. 12 tabby. That's 32. That's almost to 50, but Ooh, two away from 50. Let's clean this up. Look at that. That's 50. Okay. That's 50. No, that's not 50. Okay. This is 50. This is gonna be 50. That goes in the bank. And that goes in the bank. Okay, so the only two we sell are Tabby Plorts and Phosphorus. Tabby were down and Phosphorus were even. There we go. And then we take a quick trip to the bank. There we go, it stops right at the entrance. Okay, so that's... Boop, 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 up. Okay, now the rock goes in here, that's over 200. Okay, that's 300. Okay, now. There we go. What I want to do now is I want to, I want to organize. I don't want to be like, oh, there we go. I don't want to keep looking around for them. I want like a row of plorts, of pink plorts, a row of, tabby, a row of... What am I doing? Okay, now let's get these up here. And it's easier. It's just my pink are over here. My phosphorus are over here. My rock are over here. Eight, 9, there we go. So we got 300. Nine and 10. Okay. It's organization, guys. I'm gonna do the same thing with the carrots and stuff like that. What am I doing? Sorry about that, guys. There we go. Gotta just do this, it's work. I wonder what the lab is. I haven't looked up anything about this game, guys. Okay, so there we go. That's gonna be our blue, our rock ports. There we go. Yeah, I know it's monotonous and a little bit boring, but what am I gonna do? Gotta do it. It makes it better. And then we sell the ones we can't hold anymore. So we're gonna be selling about 100 plorts. Here we go. No, there we go. Okay, we got another one to fill. Okay. There we go. It's great. I love this game. Great. Ouch. Okay. Oh, see, that's what I mean, see? Now we got Tabby. Not Tabby, still in the pink. 9. I hate my spasm sometimes, guys, because it makes me hit the buttons twice. No. We got a row of pink already full, almost full. And there we go. That one will be phosphorus. And what am I doing? It's about 200. There we go. Got an empty one here, so let's put... That's the tabbies. Let's put the plorts... These plorts... Fluorescent... Okay, that's blue. That's pink. And this is gonna be for the phosphorus. Might need another silo. Because we got a water pond. We don't need a water pond. And it's easy, see? If I want that, I just look and say, hey, this is phosphorus. It's like a dispensing machine. It's like... And there we go. All taken care of. There we go. Now, let's see what we gotta do. Okay. Let's sleep through the night. get a fresh start. Sorry about all that riffraff, guys. Clean this all up. $40 carrots. 40 pogo fruit, about 40. Okay. Yeah, carrots are getting low. There we go. Let's see what this person wants. Well, whoever it is. Bob. Okay, one roostro, 2 stony hens, and 6 chickens. 1 roostro, 1 roostro, 2 stony hens, and 6 chickens. What? And 6 chickens. There we go. Helping Bob again. 1 chicken at a time. Boop, boop, boop. Doop, 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 doop. There we go. We got a little bit of food out of it, so I guess it's good. Okay, we have enough carrots now. Almost enough, yep. Just a couple more to 100. And the heartbeats, same thing, almost 300. There we go, and let's clean up this, and then we don't need any carrots for a while because we got them from the heartbeats. We do need more of. We only have one thing of 300, so chickens we need. Definitely we need chickens because they're chickens. Who doesn't need chickens? Chicken is a good source of protein. Okay. Come on, chickens. Give me there. There we go. 10 chickens. Now let's clean all this up. We need more chickies. Come on, chickens. Let's give you more. Let's get more in here. Come on, let's go. go. Get more chickens. Okay, I think that's about it for right now for the chickens. Oh, nope, nope, nope. You respawn, you get sucked up. Okay. Now we do not need any more carrots. There we go. We need no more carrots. Finish up that. Okay. That goes to 58. We need more of them. So there we go. Fill that to 100. Okay. Knock this down until there we go. Starting up a new one. Okay. Carrots. Need to fill this up, but then I don't know what to do with the rest of the carrots. I guess put them in with this. And there we go. Okay, there we go, back up. And there we go. And that goes in there. Now we go and get some plorts. 32 fluorescents. Selling. .32 rock. We're gonna get more, so we're gonna be keeping them. Okay, 26 tabby. .27 pink. And 72. So that's going in the bank. So we might have 2 going into the bank. Yep, rocks going into the bank. And we can't do anything, so we're going to be selling phosphorus and tabby. There we go. You know what, let's sell these off. So we can get even closer to our goal of unlocking the next area, which is over here, and it is what's this? The lab allows you to begin your career as an amateur unlicensed slime scientist. Okay, 3. We need 10,000, so we're going to get our plorts in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Rob, and I will see you soon.